Today's business is all about connectivity, be it between friends, your employees, your field force, your departments, your customers or prospects. Backed by the latest technologies, the 24 by 7 care world, which brings it, which brings with it the pressure of performance. While phone calls and emails continue to be effective way to communicate with the external world, SMS is the fast assuming the preeminent role as a communication tool due to its ability to reach the message to the recipient in instant. The only solution to be available for your customers 24/7 is to automate all your communication. SMS automation makes your business available anytime. About myself, company's name is Websoft Technologies, professional services, IT enabled services, digital marketing. I am having 14 years of IT experience with various domains. This is introduction of SMS Mantra. SMS Mantra is a trademark of Websoft Technologies, founded in 2012, having more than 100 plus customers as of now, and SMS services applicable to all industries, all verticals, healthcare, real estate, media, airlines, etc. These are all services under SMS Mantra, bulk SMS, voice SMS, short code, long code, missed call alert service. These kind of services are used for lead generation purpose to grow your business, also to communicate with your existing customers, vendors regularly. Now why us? We are registered with TRAI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. We are connected with more than 800 operators, telecom operators in more than 190 plus countries. More than 70% business comes through existing customers. We understand your requirement and we create the plan accordingly. I will give you more details about the services. SMS is the push service. It is one-way service. So it is the fastest way of communication to a group of people. You can check the delivery status online. It is economical and very effective medium. Delivers within few seconds. Lack of SMS can be sent in one day as well. These are the routes available in India: promotional SMS, transactional SMS and opt-in. Promotional is used for lead generation, advertising purpose. Transactional is used for servicing your customers. Opt-in is used for specific communities, clubs, federation, trust. These are the samples you must have seen. Promotional SMS looks like this. The spot offer, the offer is already mentioned. And transactional SMS is like servicing, like your one-time password for net banking transaction is this. So you can differentiate both these routes. Other services, voice SMS, you can actually record the voice of the offer of your campaign and you can broadcast to your all customers. They will receive a call and the voice clip will be played and automatically within 30 seconds it will be terminated. Now these were the push services, where those are one time, those are basically as a single way. Now we have other services of pull services which communicate two-way communication. After sending the SMS, customer can also reply to that SMS. Those are short code and long code services. Short code are basically available in India. You must have seen 5-digit numbers, 56161, 57575. Those are short code numbers, which can be also used for lead generation purpose. And 10-digit long code can be used not only in India as well as abroad, wherein we can also give you premium number like 98200, 98200, which can be used for your business. You can also use missed call alert service to grow your business. This missed call alert service is free for end customer. After giving a missed call, call gets terminated within 1 or 2 calls, and a notification will be sent to the customer, to the business, that these are the calls received for specific campaign. These are all prestigious customers. I can connect to you. Altius, Gokart, Go Air, Titan Showrooms, Gia, then Credai VNM, Science Naval Hospital, HBS Filtration, Kidsi, Mithaiwala. I can connect to you. Now this is the one of the case study, Wokhad Hospital. We have given Wokhad Hospital as handling all OPD appointments in all hospitals across India through us, and they are having we have given one number solution as a long code service as well as missed call alert service for Wokhad Hospital all over Pan India. These are the referrals we are looking for: school, colleges, tours and travels, cooperative banks, builders. This specific ask we are looking for: Abhyuday Bank, Cooperative Bank, IT Head, Mantralaya, RBI, MCHR Marketing Head, Vidyalankar Classes, Bisleri International, Mumbai Police. Kapurthala Punjab Police Station has also used our services to communicate with employees as well as for emergency messages to their people. Thank you. Any questions?